natural rolling. You pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I smoke up on this weed, I feel vulnerable. I'm knowing all the sounds on the storm when it comes. She understand a nigga can't take her everywhere that I'm going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can't even...
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rebecca Coco. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and be a part of the family. And if you're not new, hey girl, hey, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping back to support your good sis. It is greatly appreciated, okay? Yeah, for today's video, I'm really excited, by the way. We are talking about my baby, my Target little closet display system that I have. I've gotten a lot of questions about this system and about this little display that I have going on. When I posted on Snapchat and Instagram stories, a lot of people reach out to me and they wanted me to do a video about it. So I was like, I mean, either way I was going to do a video about it. Okay, I was just waiting for the right time. But yeah, I'm just going to be talking to you guys about how this came about, the cost, affordability, how I went about it, prepping, and all of that, okay? But before we get into the system, I just want to give you guys a little bit of background onto like how this came about, okay? So y'all, from the time I was like in high school, like when I used to watch like Destiny Gotti and all of like the makeup girls and whatnot, you know, just when I really got into like YouTube and watching YouTube videos, I've always wanted a IKEA PAX system, and I still want one. We're gonna talk about that, okay? I've always wanted a IKEA closet system, and when I was in college, it didn't make sense. When I was in college, most of the time I was renting like rooms from people in their houses and whatnot, so it was not gonna happen, okay? And then when I bought this property, this is a townhouse. It's not very big. The space is actually quite small. I know you guys, when I did the empty townhouse tour, I'm gonna link that video, you guys suggested that I do like another closet system. I think it was the Boaxo system. Somebody has recommended, and I looked into that. Either way, I've always wanted like a system, a nice display that I can showcase my items and still have everything neat and organized, okay? So when I completed the basement of my house, I believe it was 2020, I completed the basement and I moved down to the basement because the space is a lot bigger and it's more secure, you know? So I was like, okay, I can finally get my IKEA PAX system. I have this wall, the wall that the closet system is currently on. I was like, that's exactly where my IKEA PAX system is going to go. I did my measurements and I went ahead and I created my IKEA PAX system. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what I created, okay? I believe the total came to about 1,500 to 1,006, okay? Something around there. However, you guys know with COVID, a lot of items were on back order. So like IKEA, they will like have some items in stock and it will get delivered to me. Sometimes the parts will be off. I would have to drive to the Mall of America. Like too much driving, you guys. I was always driving to like exchange parts, exchange items, look and see what's in stock, what's not in stock, ordering items from other locations, and it was too much, like too much hustle and bustle and just going up and down. It just became a little bit too much for me, okay? Because I was doing so much like searching on YouTube for like the IKEA PAX system and looking into like other systems and whatnot, a video popped up, and I'm going to go ahead and link the video in the description box. I'm also going to include a picture right here, okay? I believe the young lady, her channel name is Shopping with NYkei. She does a lot of shopping hauls and affordable hauls and whatnot, and she had created a Target system in her master bedroom. And says, if you ever come across this video, I highly doubt it, but if you ever come across this video, your video was so inspirational. Like watching her video gave me the confidence that I needed to be like, you know what, I can take a little affordable closet system and make it work, okay? When I watched the video, I was like, okay, you know what, I see what it is. I went to Target and I got the Target shelf system. Now I did not get the 3-piece, I got the 5-shelf system. I believe it retails for $35. Let me make sure. And y'all, I just went ahead and created the bookcase. All of the instructions, everything is included. All of the instructions as to how to put it together. And if I was able to put my bookcase together with just a little help, you can too, okay? My dad did come one other time and my dad helped me. Because sometimes, y'all, like I said, I'm not really good when it comes to putting stuff together, okay? The rods that I got from my closet system, I got from Home Depot. I believe they retail for $7 or $9. I'm gonna include a picture right here, and I'm also going to include it in the description box just in case you guys want to get it. And then I just went ahead and I put them together, you guys. Like, when I tell you, so easy, so affordable. In total, this system cost me less than $150. The IKEA system that I wanted, it was retailing for, like I said, $1,500 to $1,600. So I feel like it gives the same effect. Of course, it's not as sleek and it doesn't look as polished as the IKEA closet system. However, you guys, it gives the same effect. Like, I am still getting what I need from it. You guys, I still want the IKEA closet system, and I pray one day, future husband, whoever you are watching this video, I still want my IKEA closet system or my custom built closet system. I just think what the IKEA closet system has is, you know, you have special areas for your necklaces, for your sunglasses and whatnot. But you guys, this gives the same effect. Like, anytime anybody coming into my room, sometimes I do hair and makeup down here. Every time anybody come into my room, they're always like, ooh, how did you put this together? Where did you get it from? Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and then I'm gonna talk to you guys more about like the shelves and whatnot. Alright guys, so this is the system right behind me. As you can see, it is literally just 1, 2, and 3 shelves. Okay, I just have 3 shelves together, and the rods, like I said, are from Home Depot. And then I got little like kits for the rods. And you guys, if I am able to drill these rods into the shelves, you guys can do it too. And then for the shelves, like I said, it only comes with 5. So because I wanted more shelves to store my shoes, and I am going to get more shelves in addition to this, I just went ahead and purchased more of the system. And you guys, the system is quite affordable. Like the bookcase is quite affordable. I believe it's only $30 or $35. So just to purchase additional one, it was not an issue. And these rods are able to hold up to 50 pounds. So if you have both on one side, you could have also, if I had more space, I could have also put one up right here on this side. So this is just how the system looks. So on this side, I just have 2 rods just to be able to store more clothes. I have my bottoms, my skirts, and my short pants on this rod, and then I have the other things. And you guys, you can play with it. Definitely be creative with it. Like, you can have hats on the wall. I've thought about adding other things up here and just make it fun. Like, this was such a affordable dupe for the IKEA PAX system. I still do want the IKEA PAX system, like I've said, but for now this gives me what I need, and it was quite affordable and real cheap. You know, I was able to put it together. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. For those of you guys who've been asking, I'm going to have all of the details, everything in the description box. And like I said, I hope you guys find this content helpful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye guys.
I will wait for you. Presidential rolling. ATL, Jacob, ATL.